the best birria tacos you ever made in your life. Amazing! What we will do? Before, we need to prepare the consommé, the most important part of the birria. After that, we will sear the lamb, we combine the consommé with the meat and we cook it. Tacos is not tacos without the right tortilla. We will do today the white corn tortilla, the best birria tacos you ever made in your life. The ingredients are the most important because if you don't create a right and flavorful consommé, the birria is not the birria anymore. A name given from the Jalisco people to this meat cooked in a pit under the earth. Birria is not just a dish, it's part of Mexico. Means culture, family, meet together. It's typically served with the consommé, broth coming from the cook of the goat. And of course lime and coriander everywhere. Birria with cocinita pibil, with barbacoa, pastor is one of the most emblematic and popular tacos in Mexico. Actually, really simple story because due to the superpopulation of goat in Jalisco, the local was forced to use this meat to remove the problem. And doing the smell, the really smell of the meat, they was inventing this way to cook it with herbs and vegetables under the earth. Tomato. I will use 4 tomato. Onion. 4 onion again in pieces. Garlic. We will use 10 peeled garlic cloves. 1 orange. Bay leaf. 2 coriander seed. Half teaspoon. Cloves. 4-5 cloves. Avocado leaf. I really love it as well. 2 cumin. 1 spoon. Cinnamon. If you have a stick, is better. 1 stick. Mexican oregano. Don't use the normal, the flavor is completely different. Mexican oregano, 2 spoons. And the most important part, otherwise the birria is not birria, the chili. Chile guajillo, 9 pieces, seed off, if you don't want it extremely spicy. Chile ancho, 3 of them. Again, seed off. Chile pasilla, extremely aromatic flavor, 1 seed off. 1 spoon of pepper in grain. Later, when it's cooked, we will add salt. I will combine chicken and beef bouillon. For the consommé, we will need a pot. We put a little bit of oil, we saute it for 10 minutes. After we add the water and we cook it another 30 minutes. After that, we will blend everything and consommé is ready for the meat. Tacos is not tacos without the right tortilla. We will do today the white corn tortilla. Last time we did the blue one, I put the link in bio. And what we need? Maseca, nixtamalized corn flour. To boil the corn in calcium to get the consistency more smooth and soft before they blend it. Maseca is one of the most popular brand and is working always very nice. Flavor amazing. I use 2 cups of Maseca white in this case, 1.5 cup of lukewarm water. That's it. The dough need to rest. After we will portion it, remember your scale, 35 gram each tortilla. You need to have your beautiful press, cast iron press. I got it in Mexico. Tortillero, what it is? It's a container where we can put a kitchen towel and keep the tortilla warm. Fry pan, normal fry pan from Amazon. You can buy what they call in Mexico comal. It's a flat one, looks like a crepe pan. That's it. Super simple, need just attention in the cooking part. 30 seconds one side, flip, another 20 seconds, flip again. The dough need to blow. When it's blowing, means it's cooking and maintain the elasticity of the tacos. 2 cups of maseca, going in, water, lukewarm water. And your end, that's the secret. Your end is the secret. And that it is. This is the consistency you want. You see that? Soft, a little bit wet, but not sticky. This is well rest, half an hour. Now we are ready to do our ball and press the tortilla. 35 grams of dough each tortilla. If you want to make it bigger, make it bigger. Easy. We take apart, we make our round shaped ball, and that is what you want. Save it and cover it with kitchen towel. Now I show you how to do it. 1. Let's take your press. We put paper. I use plastic. You can use baking paper. We position it, our ball in the middle. We press it a little bit. One ball on top. Press. Open it again. Yeah, you can see. Remove the plastic, and that's it. This is our perfect tortilla ready to be cooked. Let's go to the pan. 30 seconds one side, flip. Another 20 seconds, flip again. The dough need to blow. When it's blowing, means it's cooking and maintain the elasticity of the tacos. And this is what is making the difference respect of a good tacos or a bad one, the homemade one. Yeah, I made in my life a lot, and I'm always impressed. The flavor is amazing, the consistency, the corn that is smelling through. Amazing product. Don't buy, please. Just make it. Birria, it's about lamb. I choose local lamb. I got lamb shank, kind of lamb ossobuco, 2 of just meat, no bone. Some meat with a little bit of fat that give you extra flavor. Let's go to the pan. When our consomme is ready, it's time to strain it and blend everything. And this time, for our baby pressure cooker machine, we combine everything and we give a time of 2 hours. Cooking time finished, time to show you what it's all about. Before this, This is the consommé. Yeah. It's the one that normally you serve with the birria, with your tacos. What they do, they take the tacos, they dip it in, and they eat it. Amazing. But let's check the meat. Yeah. This is. You see what you want? Amazing. Oh, it's falling apart. It smells incredible. The best birria ever. Look at that. Let's test the consommé, and after we go for the tacos. Amazing. The best ever, guys. Follow this recipe, is the ultimate. What we do now, we remove the beef, we shred it, we filter the juice, and after we combine everything in some container or wherever you want. We need to cool down completely. Very important to have the fat of the cooking process on the top like a butter. This butter we will use it to cook our tortilla. When you have your tortilla, your amazing lamb cool down. Remember why we cool down? Because we need that fat. That fat, we need it in the pan to cook our final birria tacos. And we need cheese. Let's go to finish these beautiful tacos. Let's test. It's unbelievable. It's just amazing. Just amazing. The best birria tacos you ever made in your life. It's unbelievable.